They printed dreams till the ink ran dry. We bought the lie, now we're asking why. The truth don't fade, it just takes time. This is the ride, the great devaluation of the mind. My pop said save, but the numbers betray. $1 today ain't the dollar he made. We chase more zeros, but they vanish in smoke. Working 2 jobs just to stay afloat. The headline smile, the economy's fine, but the rent went up and the truth declined. We traded our hours for digital dust. They taxed our faith and inflated our trust. Neon lights and debt-fueled nights. They sold us dreams disguised as rights. From paper checks to invisible pay, we lost the plot along the way. They printed dreams till the ink ran dry. We bought the lie, now we're asking why. But truth don't fade, it just takes time. This is the rise, the great devaluation of the mind. Yeah, yeah, great devaluation of the mind. Yeah. Now milk costs more, but the wage stays still, and temporary pain turned into the bill. They said quantitative easing, poetic fraud, while the people prayed and the bankers played God. I saw the mask fall on the nightly news. Numbers twisted into moral cues. Just keep spending, they said it's patriotic, but the math don't add, it's idiotic. Nations drowning in credit lines, futures pawned in dotted signs. The harder we grind, the less we keep. Inflation's a tax on the ones who sleep. But deep underground, a signal was born, encoding consensus, a system swarm. No kings, no middlemen taking they slice. Just work as proof, transparent, precise. A spark in the noise, a rhythm and code, a light in the fog where the honest go. We learn from pain what the schools don't teach, that freedom's mine, not given in speech. From hash to block, from block to chain, every ledger written in earned domain. It's more than money, it's moral ground, where every bit of truth can be found. No central throne to decide our worth, just time and work, the proof of birth. The proof of birth. Hey, hey. Now I stack peace, not fear or greed, and sound foundations I plant my seed. The age of honesty's been redesigned, one block at a time, the sovereign mind. They told us work hard, stack, behave, but the game got rigged while we dug our graves. Every headline clean, but the streets still cry, while the suits pop corks on a manufactured high. They print, we sweat, same loop, new year. Paper burns fast when the truth gets near. No bailout coming for the minds they broke. We just learned to breathe through the cloud of smoke. Now the code got rules no man can bend. Blocks keep time, every tick a friend. Proof in the grind, that's the gospel line. No preacher, just the data, divine design. I move with patience, algorithm calm. No middleman hand, no hidden palm. This isn't rap, it's a quiet alarm. Wake up the world before it loses its charm. So I build in the open, my ledger clean, every choice transparent, no in between. The noise can fade, the signal will climb. This is the anthem for a sound of time. They printed dreams till the ink ran dry. We bought the lie, now we're asking why. But truth don't fade, it just takes time. This is the rise, the great devaluation of the mind. No kings, no crowns, just proof in the grind. This is our time, the great revaluation of the mind. I don't chase noise, I verify peace. From silence, I build what they can't lease. The system fell, but we realign. This is the new world, the sound of time.